Hi everyone and welcome to my second attempt at filming this video. I just filmed the video of me explaining Shakepay, buying and selling, but then I didn't record it with any sound. So attempt number 2 to my second crypto series, the second video of my crypto series, I guess. I'm not going to leave a number on these like my live trading series, but you get the point. I'm just trying to break down cryptocurrencies. A few weeks ago, I created a Binance and Coinbase account to try to, show everyone how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I was having so much trouble transferring in $1,000 to each account. For some reason, my Visa was getting rejected. My e-transfers and any debit card payments to Coinbase or Binance were getting rejected. So doing some research, I guess the Canadian banks have blocked buying Bitcoin, so you have to use an intermediary. Doing some research, a friend referred me to Shakepay. Shakepay is, I guess, like an exchange that only allows you to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum like Wealthsimple. But the difference is you can receive and transfer out of Shakepay. So you're not stuck with it. You can transfer it into your cold storage wallet if you'd like. So what I did, I created a Shakepay account. I got it funded within an hour, created, verified, funded within an hour, and I transferred the funds to Binance and Coinbase. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Shakepay is a Canadian company only. They are insured, so you won't have 100% losses like Quadriga did a few years ago. So thankfully, they are insured. It is legit. It does work. I've tried it out. I've sent and received a few transfers here or there just to make sure it works. I am going to quickly go over the desktop version of the website, but then most of the features, I guess what most people will be using is on the app. So I'll show you how to do it on the app. If we go through the website, pretty bare bones. Before this, let me go through the commission structure. It is kind of interesting. It is commission free. If we look at the funding and the timeline, Interact receiving all free Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin, you need 2 confirmations and your Bitcoin will be available. Ethereum after 60 confirmations. Outgoing, there is no delay. Miner fees are covered by Shakepay. Ethereum, no delay. Gas fees are covered by Shakepay. So here, if Shakepay has no commissions, how do they make money? They pretty much tell you right away. Whereas we're more like a local retail store that buys and sells goods. When I bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin on Shakepay, I received $970 worth. And that's a 3% fee. That is pretty steep, but it was, I couldn't find any other way. Like I wanted to fund my Coinbase and Binance account. There was no other way. There is, 3% is pretty steep. I don't know how cheap the other ones are. I think they're 2% or 1.5. It still is pretty bad, but nothing else we could do. So if we go back into the account, very bare bones. So I did get referred to Shakepay by a friend. What I like it is that if you introduce a friend, they'll send you, and you buy $100 worth of crypto, you'll get $30 and your friend will get $30. So I will put this code down in the description and I'll probably pin a comment. Just, find another way if I can monetize this channel. If you guys are going to buy $100 worth of crypto, might as well each get $30 worth. So this is my shameless plug. What also is cool about Shakepay is that if you open the app every day and you literally shake it, you will receive some Satoshis. I've been doing this every day. Unfortunately, because I just filmed a video and I did shake it, I can't show you how to do it now, but I might put in another plug of where I shook it on video without audio and just got some. I think I got 210 Satoshis, which is like 17 cents. But here, if you go into the app, I feel like I talk too much. So I previously filmed how to buy Bitcoin and I just sold it because I wanted to do it on the app for you guys, but it'll show you all the transactions. So I sent $7 to my Coinbase and my Binance account. 0.0001 is the smallest denominated amount. I think the minimum dollar amount is $5 worth. So this is the smallest amount you can send, and I just wanted to try it out. You can see every day my shaking sat. So every time you open it and shake it, I guess I got 17 cents today. If we go all the way down to the bottom, so I Interact e-transferred in $1,000. I bought Bitcoin and I bought $1,000 of Bitcoin, and then they gave me the $30. So this is legit. They did actually give me this $30. And then I started shaking every day since. So if I try to, let me just start recording it. So if we open up Shakepay, all right, it is recording now. I know it is a little boring because like I'm looking down, but I'll try to look up every now and then. So I have $998. The $30 I got from the referral fee, and I have around $968. I guess it goes up and down. It is a very bare bones app. If you click on the settings button, I'll block out some of my personal information, but it says account verified, has my email, has my number. It gives you the Interac security answer. So like when you e-transfer in, you don't set your own answer. It gives it for you. Also, if you want to refer a friend, you could click this refer a friend button. You each get $30. Pretty basic, pretty bare bones. If you want to deposit funds, obviously you go add funds and then you choose the option you want. If you want Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. This is the code you will use. Either get them to scan your QR code or send them this address. I'll close this. If you want to send funds, this is you can select the shake tag. So if someone else has Shakepay, you don't have to have their QR code or their Bitcoin address. You could send directly to their Shakepay app, which is pretty cool, pretty convenient. So I am going to go into Coinbase right now. Oh, okay, so that's Binance. Let me go into Coinbase. And I will show you. You have to click on I know you can't see where I'm clicking, so I'll kind of circle it, hopefully when I'm editing. Click on this button, send and receive. So you go send here, receive here. So I do want to receive from another wallet. You can either get them to scan your code or click on the wallet address. So I have $7 from when I sent it to myself earlier. Then let me go back into Shakepay and I will deposit it right here. So Shakepay pasted from Coinbase. That is the address. And I'm going to send. No results found. Select from clipboard. Okay. The smallest amount you can send is 0.001. If I try to go too far down, it shows up in red and you can't transfer, I guess, less than $5 equivalent. So I will go again, 0.0001, click continue. From Bitcoin 0.01 to this address, click confirm, and it should go right away. You sent this amount, that's fine. So now I'm gonna go into Binance. Obviously, you click on your wallet, make sure you send to the correct address because Binance has, I feel like 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. Make sure you send to the BTC wallet, not Bitcoin Cash, not, Bitcoin Gold. So click here, click deposit. Now make sure you don't select BEP2 or BEP20. You will send to the wrong code and it will be lost forever. So BTC, make sure to have that selected. Click copy address and then go back to Shakepay. Click send. Select from clipboard, I guess because I just copied it. So 0.0001. Click confirm. This is weird that I'm doing it for the second time, but yeah. So you send 0.0001, that's fine. I'm probably going to pause. I want to see if I get the notification after 20 minutes that my accounts received it. So outgoing is instant, but I want to know how long it takes for Binance and Coinbase to receive it. I'm guessing it is 20 minutes, which is the 2 confirmations. So also, if you want to buy, it is pretty straightforward to buy. So since I have $30 here, I'm going to spend all of this right now. Click buy and sell. So I go 30.22. Confirm. And there it is. I just bought this Bitcoin. So people are sending me text messages. I should have went on airplane mode or something. So yeah, so just bought Bitcoin and I'll go close. So I think that's all I'm going to show you guys for now on the app. I am going to include a little snippet again of me shaking it. And then so you see the prompt that comes up. So every day, just like wake up, shake it literally, and then you'll get 15, 20 cents. I don't know. The longer your streak is while you shake it, the more Satoshis you'll get. Obviously, there will be a cap. Some people their streak is around 300 days and they get like $3 a day. I'm sure there will be a cap, but it's still free money for doing nothing. I am probably going to do another video on how to set up a Binance and how to set up a Coinbase account. Those are pretty straightforward. You just You have to send a picture of yourself. I sent an actual copy of my ID just so they can verify my address, my identity. I did actually get the Ledger Nano S. I do have the Trezor Model T coming in as well. So I am going to do an unboxing of the wallets. These are cold storage wallets. I am pretty new at this, so maybe you guys will see my mistakes or what I like, what I don't like. But I am getting deep in the crypto game. I plan on getting deep in the crypto game. I'm pretty new to it right now. I bought on Wealthsimple. I'm buying on Coinbase, Binance, and Shakepay. I'm going to be showing you what to do, like open this up, transfer to my wallet, and then we'll kind of go from there. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a legit app. Like, I've been using it. I've been sending back and forth. You see all the transactions here. So it is working. I am going to include this code for you guys just to, if you are going to get the app and buy $100 worth, if you use my code, we will both get $30. So why not? Why not? So yeah, that's all for now. Let me know if you have any crypto questions. I did have a previous video on how to buy and sell on Wealthsimple initially, coming out earlier this week. I will leave a link to that if you want to check it out. This has been my experience with Shakepay. I will do Coinbase and Binance. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I have audio on this. I really hope there's audio on this. Thanks for watching, and tune into the next one.